Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, work and energy. Okay, so firstly, I want to tell about work done. The work done by a force acting on an object is equal to the product of the force and the displacement of the objects in the direction of the force. In the short form, you can say that work done is the product of force and displacement. Okay, and unit of work done is joule, that is equal to newton into meter. Okay, and write the definition of 1 joule. You can write also your own definition. Okay, so 1 joule work is said to be done on an object when a force of 1 newton displaces it by 1 meter along the line of action of the force. Work is a scalar quantity. Okay, here work is a scalar quantity, but force is a vector, displacement is the also vector. Okay, student, and dot product of two vector is always scalar. याद रखना, कोई भी दो वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. ओके, अगर कोई भी दो वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है उसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट हमेशा स्केलर होता है. डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज ऑलवेज गिव्स अस स्केलर क्वांटिटी. दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी विल यूज डॉट. ओके, जब हम क्रॉस साइन पुट करेंगे तो उसमें मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है, क्योंकि दो वेक्टर क्वांटिटी के दो टाइप के प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, एक डॉट वाला और एक क्रॉस वाला. तो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज स्केलर प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि हमको स्केलर क्वांटिटी मिल रही है. दैट्स वाई यू कैन से दैट वर्क डन इज द स्केलर क्वांटिटी. इट मीन्स वर्क डन हैज़ ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड विदाउट डायरेक्शन. on and this is known as force displacement cos theta. Theta is the angle between force and displacement. Okay, theta is the angle between force and displacement. Here, on the basis of theta, force is classified in three types. First is positive work done, second is negative work done, and third is zero work done. Case first, that is for positive work done. If displacement is in the direction of the force, and at that case theta will be 0 degree and cos 0 is equal to 1, then work done will be positive. Okay, and next, if displacement is in the direction opposite to the force, जब force इस direction में है और displacement इस direction में है, इस केस में यहाँ पे एंगल कितना बनेगा आपका 180 डिग्री, and cos 180 will be -1. Then we will put the value in the equation. Then we get work done is equal to minus F cross S. Okay, so here it will be negative work done. Case third, that is zero work done. When displacement is perpendicular to the force, then theta is equal to 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. When we will put the value, then we get work done is also 0. So here we can say that zero work done. If there is no displacement in the direction of the force, that is force is perpendicular to the displacement, that is called zero work done. Now we see the some numericals that is based on work. Again we will solve many numericals after completing this chapter. Okay, a boy pushes a book a boy pushes a book by applying a force of 40 newton. Here force is 40 newton. Find the work done by this force as the book is displaced through 25 centimeter. Here work done, you have to find the work done, and force is given 40 newton and displacement is also given 25 centimeter. But problem is this, here displacement is in the CGS unit, so we have to convert centimeter into meter. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, फर्स्टली 25 डिवाइड बाय 100, देन वी गेट 0.25 मीटर. देन वैल्यू ऑफ फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट पुट इन द इक्वेशन और फॉर्मूला, देन वी गेट 25 इंटू 40 1000 जूल, एंड दो डिजिट के बाद आपको डेसिमल लगाना है, देन वी गेट work done is equal to 10 joule. Here, a ball of mass 1 kg thrown upwards reaches a maximum height of 4 meter. Calculate the work done by the force of gravity during the vertical displacement. Here you have to take a g is equal to 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. आपको क्या बोला है? बॉल का मास 1 kg दिया है, या ऊपर की तरफ फेंक रहे हैं, मतलब आप ग्रेविटी के को अपोज कर रहे हैं, आप अपवर्ड बोला है. मास इज गिवन, ओके, distance is also given, and you have to count or find work done, and work done is equal to force into displacement. Where is the force? Then you have to firstly find force, that is equal to mg. Okay, force is also weight, that is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass is given 1 kg, g is also given 10 meter per second square. After multiplication we get force is equal to 10 Newton. Then we will put the value of force and displacement in the formula. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is 10 Newton. Displacement is 4 meter. Here negative sign shows the object is moving in upward direction, and that is opposite to the earth, and that is moving away from the earth. That's why we will use here negative sign. Okay, work done against the force of gravity is 40 joule. स्टूडेंट आपको याद होना चाहिए हम जी की वैल्यू को पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव कब लेते हैं? जब ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ की तरफ मोशन करेगी तो पॉजिटिव होगा जी, अर्थ के अपोजिट मोशन करेगी तो जी कैसा होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी विल टेक अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ जी. थैंक यू.